Hi everyone and welcome to Unacademy. This is the channel CAT Funda and I would request you to subscribe to it if you haven't done that already. So today what we are going to do is that we are going to discuss a solved example on quadratic equation. Let's have a look at that. How many distinct positive integer valued solutions exist for this equation? What is the equation? There is some value given in x which is raised to another power which is also in x, and the end result is 1. So basically what we are given is a to the power of b is actually equal to 1. How is that possible? How can a number raised to another number be equal to 1? One of the obvious ways is if any number is raised to the power of 0, that gives me 1, which means the value which was in power, that is x square minus 13x plus 42, that has to be equal to 0. When will that happen? Well, the factors of this equation are x minus 6 into x minus 7 and the product is 0. When will the product be 0? When either x minus 6 is 0 or x minus 7 is 0, which means x is either 6 or 7. So these are the two cases, two values of x which are both positive integers when my condition or case 1 is satisfied. Can there be another case? Yes. 1 raised to any power is 1. So that means my base, which is x square minus 7x plus 11 for this question, that is equal to 1 because then this is being raised to any power will give me 1. So this equation is effectively x square minus 7x. 1 comes to the other side, this becomes plus 10 equal to 0, or I have x minus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0, which means the value of x that is possible here is either 2 or 5. These are the two values which are possible here. Both of them are positive integer values. So once again, I get two solutions for the second case. Is there any other case possible? Yes. There is one more case possible which some students tend to miss, which is minus 1 raised to any power can be 1 as long as that power is even. So this is the third case which we need to take care of. So we need to take care of two things in this one. One thing is that the base should be minus 1. Second is that the power should be even. So let's do it one by one. Let us try and make the base as minus 1. So x square minus 7x plus 11, which is my base. If I make that equal to minus 1, I get x square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So that gives me the factors as x minus 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So I get the value of x as 3 or 4. Is this good enough? No, this is not good enough because I also need to check the fact whether b is even or not. So when I put 3, what happens? When I put 3 here, this will be 9 minus 39. So that is minus 30. Minus 30 plus 42 is plus 12, which is even. So this works. If I put 4, no need to even check the actual value because 4 square is even. 13 into 4 is even. 42 is even. Even, adding even, subtracting even will remain to be even. So once again, both 3 and 4 are valid values. So the question was asking me how many such values are there. So I got 2 here, I got 2 here, and I got 2 here, making 6 as the total number of valid values here, making option 3 as my answer. Simple, straightforward question should be attempted in the exam if you don't know much else. Otherwise, when you have questions like this, when there are multiple such cases, the problem is not in solving a case. The problem is that some people will forget this case, some people will forget this case, and that is why they will get a wrong answer. So if you want to attempt this in the exam, provided there is no simpler question, you can do this, but be careful with it. I would also recommend that if you are planning to join any course on Unacademy or even just to download the app, you can use the coupon code HANDA, which will unlock a bunch of features for you and get you a discount on all Unacademy courses. Thank you.